What you're about to witness isn't just a restoration, it's the impossible rebirth of a forgotten machine. From a heap of rusted metal, a hidden masterpiece will emerge. A project so daring, it defies all expectations. Stay with us as a vision begins to take shape. This transformation will change everything you thought you knew about cars. It begins with a single spark of hope in a field of decay. A symbol of what's to come, placed on a canvas of ruin. Beneath the debris lies a heart of steel, waiting for a second chance. The scale of the challenge is immense, the ambition even greater. Inside, the ghosts of a forgotten era linger. Every wire, every gear tells a story of neglect. The journey from junkyard to glory begins. A team of artisans assembles, their tools ready for the task. The deconstruction is the first step toward resurrection. Years of corrosion are painstakingly peeled away. Each discarded piece makes way for a new beginning. The interior is stripped, revealing the car's skeletal soul. With unwavering focus, they delve into the core of the machine. What remains is a hollow shell, a blank slate for an artist's dream. Every inch of decay must be confronted and cleansed. An old identity is held up one last time before being cast aside. The heart of the beast is carefully protected. Elevated and exposed, the true work can now commence. The foundation is fragile, a web of rust and time. Even the wheels, once symbols of motion, are now frozen relics. With precision and care, the underbelly is treated. The structure is methodically disassembled, piece by powerful piece. The engine is lifted, a monumental step in the vehicle's rebirth. Two minds, one goal: to separate the soul from the crumbling body. Brute force is tempered with expertise, reshaping the old frame. Fire and steel dance, a dangerous ballet of creation. New bonds are forged, strengthening the weakened structure. From the ashes of the old, a vibrant new chassis appears. The first wheel is mounted, a promise of future journeys. But the elements themselves conspire against their progress. A new, unexpected material is introduced: wood. In the woodshop, a different kind of artistry takes place. Raw timber is shaped, destined for an automotive revolution. The organic is fused with the mechanical, a daring combination. The first plank is laid, the start of an astonishing wooden cocoon. Each piece is drilled and secured with masterful precision. They measure not just with rulers, but with instinct and vision. A new skeleton emerges, crafted not from metal, but from nature. Metal reinforcements ensure this wooden marvel has a steel spine. Lines are drawn, mapping out the graceful curves of the future body. Countless custom-cut pieces await their turn in the grand design. A craftsman's hands guide the saw, sculpting elegance from timber. Even in the most awkward positions, the dedication never wavers. Traditional tools meet an untraditional project. Every surface is smooth, prepared for its role in the final form. Side panels are mounted, and the vehicle's shape becomes recognizable. The front end is methodically assembled, a testament to teamwork. A panoramic view reveals the incredible wooden chassis taking shape. The painstaking process of cladding the frame continues. The transformation is now undeniable, a marvel of ingenuity. Each new panel brings the vision closer to reality. The once rusted frame is now wrapped in warm, natural wood. With coordinated effort, the bodywork nears completion. The result: a stunning, fully formed wooden truck body. But the work is not over. A new chapter of creation begins. Now, they will craft not just a body, but a legend. The interior starts to form, built for a driver yet to come. A wooden roof is raised, sheltering the burgeoning masterpiece. Every cut is a commitment to perfection. The side panels are installed, hinting at a far more luxurious design. The shape is now unmistakable, a classic sedan, reborn in wood. The rear is meticulously finished, its curves flowing seamlessly. Three men work as one, raising the iconic hood. The side profile reveals a stunning work of automotive sculpture. The distinctive front grille begins to take form. The roof structure is reinforced, blending strength with style. Final panels are fitted, completing the main body construction. The silhouette is complete, a breathtaking fusion of materials. Attention to detail defines the rear, ensuring a flawless finish. Final shaping of the front end brings the design to life. A moment of pride, surveying the near-complete wooden marvel. Meanwhile, the heart of the machine undergoes its own revival. The old engine, once dormant, is being meticulously rebuilt. The lifeblood of the old engine is drained away. Old, contaminated oil makes way for new, clean life. Fresh oil is poured, a transfusion for the revitalized engine. Decades of grime and rust are blasted away. The corroded exhaust manifold is carefully removed. The internal gears show the heavy toll of time and wear. Every component is inspected and meticulously disassembled. Powerful tools make short work of stubborn, rusted bolts. The cylinder head is lifted, revealing the engine's core. Each valve is cleaned with surgical precision. Measurements must be perfect for the engine to run true. Parts are organized, a systematic approach to a complex puzzle. In this humble workshop, a mechanical marvel is reborn. Grinding away the imperfections, restoring a smooth surface. Every last trace of grease and grime is wiped away. A cleaned component is carefully reinstalled. The restoration process is relentless and thorough. The pistons, once seized, are now cleaned and ready for action. The intricate assembly of the engine's internals begins. More components are restored to their former glory. This final cleaning marks the end of restoration and the start of reassembly. Working together, they begin the final engine build. A fresh coat of paint protects and beautifies the restored parts. The engine block, now pristine, is ready for its new life. The crankshaft, the engine's backbone, is lowered into place. A new oil pan gasket ensures a perfect seal. The flywheel is mounted, ready to transfer immense power. A new head gasket is laid, critical for engine compression. The cylinder head bolts are torqued to precise specifications. Auxiliary components are added to the revitalized block. The timing assembly is installed with expert care. Each bolt is tightened, bringing the engine closer to completion. Pulleys and brackets are meticulously fitted. A new belt connects the components in mechanical harmony. The intake manifold is installed, ready to channel air and fuel. Next, the carburetor is mounted, the lungs of the engine. The ignition system is put in place, ready to provide the spark of life. The fuel pump is attached, prepared to feed the beast. The final touches are added to the magnificent engine. The gleaming exhaust manifold is the last piece of the puzzle. The body and the engine, art and power, are ready to be joined. The finishing touches bring the dream into sharp focus. An iconic emblem carved from wood is the crowning jewel. The finished creation stands proudly, a wooden Rolls-Royce. A protective coat of varnish is applied, enhancing the wood's deep luster. Each spray highlights the stunning grain and craftsmanship. The vehicle gleams, its wooden body radiating pure elegance. The final details are secured, completing the masterpiece. Behind the wheel, the creator prepares for the maiden voyage. The impossible machine rolls onto the open road, a sight to behold. A testament to passion, vision, and the art of transformation.